If you live in an apartment, dorm, or RV and hate wasting money at laundromats, this video is for you. Today I'm showing you Amazon's best-selling portable washing machines in 2026 with real flash deals happening right now. Our sixth product is the Portable Mini Washing Machine, a compact and foldable washer designed for small spaces and delicate laundry. It uses upgraded spinning power combined with blue light cleaning technology to deliver a deep yet gentle clean for baby clothes, underwear, socks, and towels. Its lightweight foldable design makes it easy to store under a bed, in a closet, or carry while traveling. With multiple timer modes, it offers hand wash level care while saving time and effort. Right now, it's on a 29% flash deal, dropping from $69.99 to just $49.99 to just $49. The link is in the description below. Our fifth product is the ROVSUN 17.8 Mirrors Portable Washing Machine, a fully automatic 2-in-1 washer and spinner designed for small spaces. It lets you wash and spin dry clothes in one smooth process, saving time and effort. The diamond pattern stainless steel drum improves cleaning performance while protecting fabrics, and the air dry function helps clothes come out fresher. With 8 wash programs and 5 water levels, it easily handles everything from delicate items to heavy loads. Right now, it's on a 32% flash deal, dropping from $249.99 to just $169.99. The link is in the description below. Our fourth product is the COSTWAY Twin Tub Portable Washing Machine, a compact and practical solution for small spaces. Its twin tub design lets you wash and spin clothes separately, so you can move laundry directly from the wash tub to the spin tub and save time. With a total capacity of 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, it easily handles daily family loads. The manual timer controls allow you to set up to 15 minutes for washing and 5 minutes for spinning, giving you full flexibility. Right now, it's on a 35% flash deal, dropping from $25.99 to just $169.99. The link is in the description below. Our third product is the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Portable Washing Machine, a simple and efficient solution for small spaces. Its twin tub design allows you to wash and spin at the same time, helping you finish laundry faster. With a powerful 1300 RPM motor, it handles up to 8 pounds for washing and 5 pounds for spinning with ease. The manual timer lets you set up to 15 minutes for washing and 5 minutes for spinning, giving you full control. Lightweight, energy efficient, and easy to move, it's ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, and camping. Right now, it's on a 40% flash deal, dropping from $142.99 to just $85.99. The link is in the description below. Our second product is the COMFEE fully automatic portable washing machine designed for apartments, dorms, and small living spaces. It features 5 wash programs and 3 water levels, letting you customize each wash easily. Its compact top-load design fits almost anywhere, and built-in wheels make it easy to move. The transparent lid and LED display allow you to monitor the wash cycle, while the stainless steel inner tub ensures durability. With energy-efficient performance and automatic balance control, it runs smoothly and quietly. Right now, it's on a 45% flash deal, dropping from $398 to just $219. The link is in the description below. Our number one product is the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 SUPPED portable washing machine, a trusted and compact solution for apartments and small homes. It offers 5 wash cycles, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, with 3 water levels for loads up to 6.6 pounds. The stainless steel inner tub is rust-resistant and durable, while the transparent top lid lets you monitor every wash. Safety features like auto unbalance detection and child lock ensure stable and secure operation. Thanks to built-in wheels and side handles, it's easy to move and store. Right now, it's on a massive 52% flash deal, dropping from $539.99 to just $259.99. The link is in the description below.
That's it for today's Amazon deals. All product links are right below. If you want more crazy discounts like these, make sure to subscribe. New deal videos every day. Don't miss the next one.